Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to turn off install events on the application of Xbox. To know how to turn off install events on the application of Xbox, you should just go to the app of Xbox as you see. After that, in this page, you will go down to find this window and you will enter. Then this page, we go to above to this sign of settings. Here in this list, you will enter to this window of notifications. And then we click in this sign. If the sign changed, then you can know how to turn off. Sorry, not here. This sign. If the sign changed, then you can know how to turn off install events on the application of Xbox. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.